Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Current Affairs. So in this video we are going to review another amazing project which is known as PEPESCAPE. So before starting the video I am going to give you a small disclaimer that do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. So here we are on the website and you can check out crypto was meant to be decentralized, a revolution for the people. Instead the same elites are seizing control, rigging the system in their favor, but the rebellion has begun. No one who moved now will claim what's rightful. There's a PEPESCAPE and daily with PEPESCAPE the system was never meant for you to win, but we are changing the game. Every time the escape decentralized business generates $100,000 in prepared PEPESCAPE holders receive USDT airdrop straight to their wallet. The more you hold, the more you can earn, stake and make some dollars. Resistance to the system. If we check here, you can check out the pre-sale. This round will end in almost 25 days. The amount raised is shown here. 1 PESC is equal to 0.000356. You can get it with Ether, BNB as well as card as well. Down here you can check out the product has been audited by Coinsult. Now let's check out the about section. What we are doing around, they said that I think cryptocurrency was supposed to be great equalizer, the digital phoenix rising from the ashes of centralization. Since 2011, I was fascinated by the Bitcoin, the brilliance decentralization idea born from dream of freedom. But look where we are now controlled. Once again, 99% of wealth is in the hands of few. The same cycle, just with a different face. So now let's check out the method of buying. It's pretty simple. You just have to make a wallet, then fund it, and then come to the site, connect, and then you convert your tokens into PEPESCAPE and then hold. So now let's come to the tokenomics of the product. Here you can see for the pre-sale they have reserved 30% of the supply. For liquidity they have reserved 12.5%. For marketing 20% is reserved, and for staking 37.5% is reserved. The total supply is shown here. Contract address is also given here, so make sure you check it out. Now let's visit the roadmap of the product. Here you can check out roadmap has been divided into phases. Quarter 2 of 2025 was about the awakening, narrative drop, community formation, website and branding, as well as Genesis airdrop. If we check the quarter 3 of 2025, you will see token launch, DAO activation, CEX and DEX listings, first operation, and much more. If we check out the quarter 4 of 2025, we will see CEX dominance, on-chain trading hub, anonymous trading tools, AI powered evolution, and much more. So now let's come to the frequently asked questions section. They had already answered all of the questions that are coming in your mind, such as what is PEPESCAPE, how can you buy PEPESCAPE, how can you stay updated, is there a team behind, what is the launch date, and everything are shown here. So breaking escape the matrix is the banner here. So this is their tagline. So now let's come to the refer section. You can also get income using the refer section. If you invite friends and family into the pre-sale and they join the pre-sale, then you get the up to 15% from each referral. So now let's check out the staking feature. The staking feature is pretty amazing. They are giving an APY of up to 280%. You can calculate the daily as well as monthly rewards as well. So total stake balance will be shown here after you buy, and the chart will be shown here. The product growth is shown here. So make sure to check out the white paper of the product if you like this product. Make sure you join the social media handles such as Telegram, X as well as Instagram, because the developers of the product are part of it and you can directly talk to them, and you came to know about updates of the product early. So make sure you join the social media handles as well. If you like this product, you can participate in their pre-sale also and do some own research as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.